There's no such thing as being fully healed. You recover and you become resilient and you bounce back. But if you're looking to heal, by the time you heal, if you're even able to, like the next slap in the face is gonna come, and then the next slap in the face. You know, life is a revolving door of just people that are gonna come in your life, and some of them are gonna be knuckleheads. They're just gonna like hit you and crush you, knock you down, and you just have to become resilient and push back. So this whole heal thing, it's not fair to people, because I also know a lot of people that think something's wrong with me because I can't fully heal from what happened to me. And sometimes the stories are so egregious where I'm like, how could you ever fully heal from that? I appreciate the obstacles that I've gone through. I'm not saying they don't hurt, but all I'm saying is it's not fair to tell people fully heal and then people feel inadequate because they can't fully heal. You don't need to heal to be resilient. Those two things are not the same thing.